What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another Tile Tool Tuesday. In this quick review, we have a very interesting diamond blade to review for you. I don't know if this is trending, if there's a lot of hype around these blades, but I've had a lot of subscribers ask me to take a look, test them out. Let me show you what I'm talking about here. Very inexpensive, by the way. 3-pack of blades, 20 bucks. And here they are. What we're gonna do, as per usual, guys, is very, very simple. Show you what these look like up close. Go over the quick little specs and pricing on them. 20 bucks for 3. And then we'll go outside, show you how well they perform. We will cut quartz, hard porcelain, high gloss porcelain, your ceramics, your stone, you name it. We'll see how clean this cuts. Circles, squares, notch cuts. We will also do a big long run for a miter cut as well. But as you can see, interesting diamond blades, very thin. Let's bring the camera up close, show you what they look like, go over the quick specs, and then head outside. Here we go. Well, here they are, ladies and gentlemen, by One Go Tool. As per usual, I will leave a link in the description below if you want to take a look at pricing and specs. Extremely thin diamond blades. Diamonds go all the way up to the arbor here. So you got here your fine grain, high intensity diamond particles to ensure smooth and precise cutting without chipping. These apparently deliver a clean finish every time. One piece, as you can see, molded construction, which enhances durability, safety, preventing breakage even under high stress conditions for reliable performance. Now, I'm not quite sold on this. They claim extremely smooth cuts, no secondary polishing needed, no diamond pads. We always use diamond pads regardless of how clean the cut is. And I'm curious how well this will perform cutting 45-degree your miter cuts on hard porcelain. So without further ado, let's attach, go outside, make some cuts, show you how well or how poor these diamond blades perform. Here we go. Well, there you go, ladies and gentlemen. I am thoroughly impressed with these diamond blades. 3 of them for 20 bucks. That's less than $7 a blade. I'll leave a link in the description below if you want to check out pricing and specs. This blade cuts very smooth, very clean with your soft ceramics, quartz, as well as your very hard porcelains. Absolutely impressed with this diamond blade. I had no idea what I was getting into, but yeah, kind of blew me away, to be honest with you. We will be putting these in our toolbox. I will be using these for our bathroom remodeling projects as well as our shower remodeling projects. Check them out, guys. You will not be disappointed. As per usual, don't forget to subscribe. Tap the bell icon if you want to see more tile tool videos. Smash that like button, guys. It really does help, and I'll see you all on the next one.